Class 7, we have already done the first revision exercise of algebra, and now we are moving on to the second chapter of algebra, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. Now first we need to know what are integers. Now integers means all numbers, okay, all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, everything with a positive or negative sign. That means it can be plus 5, it can be minus 5, it can be plus 2 or minus 2. But it is excluding of 0. That means integer does not include 0. So when I write the natural number line, suppose I am writing from minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you should be knowing that when we move this side, we are moving towards greater numbers. So minus 5 is smaller than minus 4. Minus 4 is again smaller than minus 3. Now in case of positive number, the rule is different. 5, we are moving towards greater numbers. So 5 is greater than 4. You all know 4 is greater than 3. But when the numbers include the minus sign, that means they become the smaller numbers. So more greater is the value, that is 5, and if you attach a negative sign with it, minus 5, this becomes smaller than minus 4. Okay, so if I draw this number line, when we are starting from this negative numbers, we are moving towards greater numbers. So 0 is greater than the negative numbers. And when we move after 0, these numbers again become greater than 0. So integer does not exclude this 0. After 0 and before 0, all numbers, and both are continuing, because number line can never end. Okay, so all numbers excepting 0 are known as integers. The numbers may be positive 5, negative 5, positive 4, negative 4. It can be anything with a plus or minus sign, but it does not include 0. And just now what I said, we all know that 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, like this in case of positive numbers. But when, if you give them negativity, negative sign is attached with them, then minus 5 becomes smaller than minus 4. Minus 4 becomes smaller than minus 3. Now we are moving to the exercise sum. This is your exercise number 3. Chapter 2 of algebra, exercise 3. First question is select the correct answers. Now in this chapter you have to do is add, multiply, subtract the integers. That means the numbers may have positive or negative sign. Find the value of 100 divided by minus 5. That means how we divide? 100 divided by minus 5. Now you can see that the number 100, if nothing is present, it is positive number. So you have positive number on top and you need to divide it with negative number. Now the rule of division is when you have two opposite sign, the result will always have a negative sign. You can have plus in the numerator, minus in the denominator, or you can have minus in the numerator, plus in the denominator. But when two of them have opposite sign, the result will contain only minus sign. And when you cancel 5, 2s are 10 and there is one extra 0, so 5 20s are 100. So the answer, correct answer is minus 20. The options are given, select the correct answer. So the correct answer will be, out of all the answer, minus 20. Now whatever I will be doing here, please try to copy it down in the classwork copy. Sum number 2. Find the value of minus 225 divided by minus 25. Now when we solve, so minus 225 has to be divided with minus 25. Now again, this is the rule. Just now I said if both the numerator and denominator have opposite sign, the result will be having a minus sign. And then you divide and see what will be the number in the result. Similarly, if two numbers have same sign when they are divided, here in this case both numbers have negative sign. If both numbers have positive sign, then also they are having same sign. And if both numbers are having negative sign, then also they are having same sign. Then the result will always have a plus sign. So you can cancel this minus and the result will always have plus sign. Now you divide just the numbers to see what will be the result. Now you can cancel with 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. So 545 will be in the numerator, 5 in the denominator. Again 5 9s are 45. So the result is plus 9. So the correct answer is positive 9. And if you have 9 in the answer, then also it is correct, because positive numbers we sometimes don't write the sign. If any number is written without any sign, it means it's a positive number. Then the third question, find the value of, it's a simplification. Minus 2 is given in first bracket and here it is multiplied to second bracket is given and there are two numbers which has to be added. So we can write minus 2 into, we will try to solve whatever is present in the first bracket which is included in the second bracket. So within the second bracket we have two numbers given in first bracket. Open the brackets. So minus 3. Now here it is a positive number and before bracket you have a positive sign. When you open the bracket, the sign is getting multiplied. So nothing is given means 2 is having a plus sign. And when you open the bracket, this plus sign is also multiplied. So the rule of multiplication is same signs when multiplied, they always give the plus sign. Just like division, same sign numbers when divided, the result will be positive. Similarly, same sign numbers if are multiplied, then it will be positive. So here you have plus, another plus sign. So plus into plus, when you open the bracket, both are same sign, the answer will always be positive and 2 is written. Now you solve whatever is in the second bracket. Minus 3 plus 2. Now two numbers are there but with opposite sign. Whenever numbers are given with opposite sign, you need to subtract the numbers. And in case if the numbers are given in same sign, you need to add the numbers. So numbers are given in opposite sign, subtract it. You can subtract from 3, 2. So what will be left out? Only 1. And what will be the sign of the result? Sign will be always the sign of the greater number. So out of 2 and 3, the greater number is 3. So the sign that is in front of 3 will be the sign of the result. Now open the bracket. So it will be minus 2 into minus 1. Now just now I said that in case of division and multiplication the rule is same. In case of division, when you divide two numbers having same sign, it can be numerator and denominator having positive sign or both are having negative sign. Just now we have done this type of sum. The result will always be positive. Similarly, the rule of multiplication is same. Whenever same signs are multiplied, the answer will be having a positive sign. And when opposite sign are multiplied, then it will be having negative sign. So here the two numbers are having similar sign, minus and minus. So the multiplied result will have a positive sign. And now you multiply the number. So first we will multiply the sign and check the result. What will be the sign in the result? And then we will multiply the number. 2 into 1 gives you 2. So we get the result positive 2. And it can also be written just 2. Any number without the sign means it's a positive number. So 2 is the answer of the question.